Hello and welcome to Soul Tarot by Nehal. This is going to be a reading for the period of February 2025 for the zodiac sign Aquarius. Please remember this is a general reading and it may or may not resonate with you. If it resonates, let me know in the comments down below. If not, skip this one. If you feel any of your loved ones could benefit from this readings, kindly share the channel with them as well. If you wish to stay connected with me on any other social media platform or would want to support this channel in any form, the links are down in the description below. Kindly check them out. So, thank you so much, and let's begin. Ooh, so beautiful, right? Ideally. So, let's keep it like this for that matter. I am loving this, ideally. So, okay, the message that I get right now is first thing is definitely you could be, getting into the space of, getting real insights or strong nudges or intuition getting stronger. It could be even that your third eye could be getting activated as well. It could be that certain things that maybe you were looking answers for, in different aspects of your life, and you will start either seeing certain information that could help you to get those answers or something or the other, like, or you'll have strong intuitions, or there'll be some hints around something or the other. So basically you'll be able to see through the right things so that you can take the right decisions into your life, right? So that is what I see. One thing is, yes, that you some of you may be, yes, taking your path more into spirituality as well. So if you're already on the path of spirituality, you would want to now go much deeper, and that is the beginning, happening for you right now. And people who are not really into spirituality as yet, some of you may definitely get a strong nudge to start your journey. So if that is the nudge, please do go ahead and get into spirituality for yourself. Again, there is some sort of calmness also somewhere down the line coming in your life. So the thing is, when I say calmness, doesn't mean always that solutions are coming or something like that. Of course that is coming, but you by itself are mostly getting into the space of being at peace and at calm with whatever is happening. And that possibly could be that you may start finding answers at the same time. So that could be the real reason why you'll start getting your answers. So that is one thing I definitely feel very, very strongly over here, that is it's happening for sure, that you are or maybe spirituality is the way where you'll find your answers. But yes, there are solutions coming, and that is majorly coming because you are getting into calm and peace no matter what chaos is happening around you. Internally you are working on just maintaining. If you're already reached there, you'll be focusing on maintaining that calm and peace within you. If not, you will focus this month completely to reach that state of yours. So yes, that is what I see. And somewhere again, this is also coming at some of you who want to get onto the path of meditation also, is what I see that you guys may start doing. Another thing, too many messages. Another thing is coming is even that you may be even getting more into the space of looking at things the way they are instead of repainting anything. At the same time, looking into like, if it is any fears that you have in you, you're looking at to all the fears, challenges into the eyes of those fear and challenges, and facing it head on. So that is also what I see from your end in this duration. But all in all, your whole aura seems to be getting fierce, but at the same time there is a different kind of peace and calmness also within you. So that's a very beautiful and rare state to be in. Anyways, let's dive deeper, Aquarius, and see what are the messages coming in different aspects of your life. So there are ideally these are interesting information coming, that there is going to be something that some new beginnings coming into your life that is going to come all of a sudden, which is also going to bring in growth for you. Yes, that will be attached to you taking certain decisions as well. You may have to choose one path or the other and make the necessary changes, but all three cards are showing me new beginnings happening. One phase is coming to an end, new phase is coming. There is something that new that you may be wanting to start. It could be a new relationship that is coming into your life, or it could even be new career or new workplace, or something new in terms of your work. Again, some opportunities coming your way. So again, when I say opportunities, it could even be in terms of new work, but it could even be in terms of new opportunities with new connections, which will lead to new opportunities. So that also could be, and or you could be coming across some new connections which will which connections will help you to grow and build yourself differently from what you are right now. So that definitely will come with change as well. But there is something that is coming. One is, like, there is a whole, like, if you ask me, yes, new is the word that I would definitely say for you in the month of Feb 2025. The reason is, there is something, new opportunity. One phase is going to an end, new phase is coming, new options are coming. You may even get an opportunity to release the burden that you're carrying on yourself. So that is also coming. There is newness in terms of relations also, I'm very sure. So lot of new things happening in this. So yes, that is what I would say. New is the word for you guys. My god, too many news. Anyways, work wise, first things first, clarity. You yourself need to bring certain clarities, which I think is any which is coming, because you're looking at things the way they are. I think, in fact, more than clarity, you're bringing in clarity, and you're making sure that you are putting the right things into the right box. Like, if this person is not always with best intentions for you, you're making sure that you're putting that person in that place. The person who is always very generous with you, you're doing it, so you're putting that person in that category. So you're categorizing everything, not just in terms of people, but even in terms of your priorities work wise. So that is one thing which, of course, will even need some level of courage and strength from you. Again, having said that, if there are certain people who are difficult to deal with, you are taming them as well. You are, like, you're taming them very nicely. It's not that you're getting arrogant or rude with them, but you're really dealing with them with such a different energy of patience and calm. And at the same time, you're making sure to let them know that how what is your strength. So that is also what you're displaying. So that is really taming some difficult people into your work life beautifully. Now, having said all that, yet again, there is something new coming in terms of your work. So that is again for sure, like, a very strong message of something new coming into your life in terms of work. Now, this could be a new job, but or new opportunity in your current job. It could be a new position, something of that sort. Or it could be that you're already doing a job, but you may start some side hustle. So something of that sort. But definitely new things arriving in your work life for sure. Wow. So in terms of finance, beautiful. So and it's very rarely I say this, but I'm going to say something very interesting here. Um In terms of finance, first things first, if at all you are looking for some sort of guidance, regarding your finances, that is definitely coming into you through someone, or it's like you will read something somewhere, and that will bring you to a realization, oh, that I wanted to invest in this, or I wanted to do this always. And that will lead you to figure out more information from someone, and then on, whatever you want to do in terms of your finance, you will be able to do. So there is something interesting coming your way, in terms of finance, out of nowhere again. So that is also happening, which is great. Again, some interesting connection could be of help to you to understand certain things in terms of your finance, and that will lead to something good. And the best part is, yes, you are reaching to such a good financial growth and stability for yourself. If you are someone who has these things that you want to save for your children, or you want to save for your parents, or whatever, your loved ones, whomever you want to save for, all those things, all those cups, let's put it that way, are getting fulfilled. So you're able to do that, whatever you want to do in terms of your finance for your loved ones as well, which is amazing, right? So yeah, I mean, in finance also, the energy seems amazing for you guys in this month. In terms of your love, romance, and relationships, I would first speak about people who are already committed, which is either you are dating, engaged, or married. I feel that you guys are going to be doing a lot more socializing in this duration, friends and family both. Again, some of you could also introduce your partner if you haven't done it still. You will introduce your partner to your family and friends, and you would want to take things forward. Hence, you're doing all the necessary things. Some of you are getting into discussions with your family, and whatever your process, everyone has different process. Or you're just letting your family and friends know that, okay, you found someone and you look forward to a future with that person. And if at all you, like I said, you're already engaged or married, y'all are getting into discussions of more taking your relationship into the next level. So yes, y'all are making those decisions, because now you feel that, yes, I have reached to a place where I wanted to achieve these things, and now I would want to take things forward, because now you're safe and secured in a way that, yes, for my future partner, whatever, or future relation, the romantic relation that you are looking forward to, you have also managed to achieve what you want for that relation, and now you are coming from a very safe and secured place to take that relation into the next level. So which is amazing. So yes, there is a high chance, or a very positive chance, of you looking you taking things forward into taking things into the next level of your relationship. And yes, you may want to take things in terms of that building a family. So if that is what you're really looking forward to, this is going to be the time. Coming for people who are singles, I feel that, yes, you are now getting into the face. So this is definitely for people who are looking forward to getting into, dating scenes. This is the message, especially for them, because you're looking forward for future with someone. You're willing to, be serious into your relationship, take things forward. So this is the kind of things that, if you're looking for, you will be, again, you will come across someone. Maybe it could be one person or two people, while you may be socializing in this month. So there is socializing happening in this month, and that's when you will meet. I definitely see that at least you are socializing 3 to 4 times in this month minimum, and that's when you will meet someone. So it could be a friend's friend, that that person may bring that person for dinner. While you guys are going for dinner, there may be a tag along of some friend from some other city or country as well. So such a thing is happening. And yes, if that is what you're looking forward to, you may find someone who is interesting enough to know them better, and you would take that leap of faith of trying to understand. The reason is, you both will be coming, make sure, because that person also will be coming from two places, and that is, one is who is looking forward to a future, who is looking for a genuine serious relationship, and the second thing is that person definitely comes from a very safe and secured place in every aspect, not just in terms of emotions but even in terms of finances. He or she is very very safe and secured in that case, and that's how they are open to this. So yes, these are going to be certain things, that the certain qualities that the person will display. So yes, there is something that you are thinking about to, execute. It could be, some idea. It could be some decision that you want to finally take. It could be something, but yes, it is time for you to get into, slowly, gradually, if not immediately, into the space of action taking instead of just thinking. If there were challenges that you were going through, those things are, of the thing of past. So challenges is what you're overcoming. In fact, now I feel that you're looking back at challenges as, how far you've come and overcome all those challenges. The other thing I definitely see is, again, clarity is for sure coming in, which I think I mentioned earlier also, that if there is any confusion, clarity is coming in, and hence you are taking more strongly certain decision, more firmly, and are very confident in all the decisions that you are making in this duration. Nothing is yet set in stone. So yes, if you were believing that, oh, this is going to be the final outcome, nothing can be changed. If there is any such situation, remember that no, it is not the final outcome. It is not yet the final thing. Yet there are things that can be moved and the final outcome can be changed. It's not the final set in stone. So yes, nothing is yet set in stone, yet things can be shifted if you make the right moves and do the right necessary things. Loneliness, I know that I'm never alone. So if you're feeling that, while you're going through these things you are alone, don't feel that at all. Again, this is again very beautifully giving me the message that, if you're feeling so, remember that your the journey, the spiritual journey, to a certain degree, you may feel that you're alone because it is a little different also, right? Not everyone can understand the same level of spirituality that you understand. So you may feel at times so, but you're never lonely, because at the end of the day, when you get onto the path of spirituality, especially the spirituality, that itself is your company all the time. So you're never alone. Just remember that, if this is the feeling that is creeping in for you for any reason. Wisdom. See your adversaries as opportunities to expand your spiritual light. I have again and again from the beginning mentioning about spirituality. Here it gives a confirmation that you guys may walk the path of spirituality in this duration, and that will be the wise thing to do. So see your adversaries as opportunities to expand your spiritual light. A very clear, strong repeat message that is repeating here. It's ideally a confirmation for you that this is what is your way forward. Ideally, spirituality is totally going to be the way forward for you. That is going to actually make you walk the paths that you need to, but will even lead you to something so much more beautiful. Limitless, know your worth. So yes, make sure you know your worth. again, see, when you are trying to be a certain way, you are here who knows your worth. Not everyone is going to fit in your journey either. So yes, again, that at times may feel lonely, because a lot of people are always surrounded by insane number of people, and sometimes when you know your worth, that number reduces, or when you start understanding your worth, there are certain people who will walk out of your life, but remember, new ones will also come in who will align with what you are and will again uplift you at the same time. So that is also one journey that you walk. So don't worry, again, loneliness, if that is coming back to you again and again, remember, this is just the beginning of a beautiful new phase and a huge shift. I'm doing my best and that is enough. So, yes, you are doing your best and that is enough, is what you need to keep reminding yourself. Again, these affirmations, I personally always say it helps you in getting into a specific kind of a mindset. So, yes, keep reminding yourself these, use these affirmations for that. I'm worthy of love and respect. So, yes, no matter what, you are worthy of love and respect. Keep reminding yourself all of this, and you will keep attracting these things at the same time. And at the same time, you will be in, having a mindset of receiving. You'll get yourself into the phase of receiving at the same time. So, use these affirmations for those reasons. Self criticism. Sorry. Self criticism is the enemy of self compassion. Today, I will observe my thoughts and actions without judgment. I will free myself of inner criticism and remember that no one is perfect, not even me, and that's okay. Again, see, okay, this is getting me to a place where this is clearly telling you that you need to be, knowing your worth. Stop criticizing, know your worth. Okay, and that is when you will feel also the worthy of love and respect, and that's when you will get it also. And for that, you can use this affirmation that I am doing my best and that is enough, because sometimes you may be, because of self criticism, you may be hard on yourself. So yes. So, yes, there are going to be certain things that you will be doing. You'll be helpful to a lot of people. At the same time, there'll be people who will also bring in help for you. So, that is a beautiful thing that is happening. You are definitely wearing the cloak of prosperity and abundance coming into your life. So that is definitely what you're attracting. There could even be certain luxurious thing. Now, luxurious thing, when I say, it depends. You may feel an X kind of a lifestyle to be luxurious, and someone could feel some other kind of lifestyle to be luxurious. Someone may feel that a spiritual life is luxurious. So whatever as per you is a luxurious life, you are heading in that direction, and some of you may even attract a lot more luxurious things also into your life in this duration. So in many ways, I feel there is a transformation also happening in your perspective, in at least for certain things. If not in, it's even, it's not a 360-degree perspective shift, but there is certain level of perspective shift that is coming into your life right now, which is coming naturally. It's not that you're putting too much effort for it. It is coming naturally to you. It won't always work out, and that's okay. So yes, again, if you're into the space of being perfect all the time and all of it, remember that it's okay, at times things may not work out. In fact, that is maybe redirecting you into the thing that will actually be more of your interest than, what you're thinking as of now. So you will be guided. Again, see, a person who is on the path of spirituality has to go through certain challenges to come to certain kind of realities, or come to certain kind of terms and conditions, because again, spirituality is not a very easy and a linear process. It comes with its own ups and downs also. And they make spirituality helps you, accepting things the way they are, so that time this will be a good help from you to remind you that it's okay if it's not worked out. It doesn't always work out. At times it will be, again, no matter what, but not at times always, it will be in the best of your interest that it's not working out. And suddenly you just know it's time to start something new and trust the magic of new beginnings. Mr. Eckhart. I hope I'm pronouncing the person's name correctly. But yes, this is again giving that, there I spoke in the very beginning about something new, and here it confirms again that you just know it's time to start something new and trust the magic of new beginnings, which I have mentioned that, this is like new is the word for you for the month of February. So just a confirmation again. My voice matters. So yes, wherever need be, remember that your voice matters, your opinions matter. Wherever need be, take a stand for yourself, and even voice your opinion wherever necessary. Again, if that is what you're facing a block at in your throat chakra, this could be one of the very good affirmation to open up your throat chakra. So we will be checking. Okay, so this month onwards, I have added this one more thing into this. This is where we'll see what is the empowering message that universe wants to give you for the month of February. So this is what I've started and added from this month onwards. Let's see what is the empowering message coming for you, Aquarius. Attraction. Call in your soul allies. What type of personality have you attracted into your life? Set a fresh intention around the kind of people that you would like to meet in your future. Very interesting, right? I have mentioned about in the beginning itself, I have mentioned about, getting new connection into your life. New connections are coming into your life, and so on. So and many times, in fact, I've said that, and there is new things happening into your life. There is a lot of new happening, new coming. So here again, it says about setting fresh intentions around the kind of people that you would like to meet in your future. Because I said, right, there may be some people who may take an exit out of your life, and new people will come in who will align with what you are and who you are. So hence, again, a confirmation that focus on attracting the right kind of people into your life, because that's what is surely happening. Meditation brings answers. So, yes, it could be so that some of the meditations would help you to bring answers. Now, again, I did mention about meditation also, that if you guys want to do meditations and some of you want to walk that path, this is the time. I clearly remember I mentioned that right in the beginning. Yes, I did. So I was just trying to recollect that yes, it was this only, that just few minutes back I said so. And here again, a confirmation. There have been so many reconfirming messages that have happened. So there is a lot of good alignment happening for Aquarius, I feel. Like so much of reconfirmation, like, and literal, you can see it. No, we can't even question it. So yes, meditation again, see, for me it's a very different place. I personally believe whatever puts you into that meditative state, it could be art, singing, music, like, playing some instrument, whatever brings you in that state is what is meditation for you. So if it is bringing you into a zen state, a meditative state, that is the way you like to meditate. So if whatever that activity is, what like, just do it, whichever. Now if that is literally sitting crossed leg and focusing on your breath, and that is only when you feel that you're meditating, do it. That's totally fine. So whatever it is, meditation is bringing a lot of answers. This will help you even set your intentions again, and bring in a lot of clarity, attract the thing you want, get into the space of receiving, and so on. So meditation is definitely something that you should look forward to also in this period. So yes, thank you so much. If you have any suggestion, drop them in the comment section. If you have something to share, drop them as well. If you feel you would, like, want to stay connected, the links are down in the description below. If you want to support the channel, description has the links for that as well. And yeah, this is it. Do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you've stayed up until now for all of this, thank you so much. And see you in the next reading. Bye bye.